Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Windows Security because this is the centralized control point for firewall settings. Press Win+S, type Windows Security, and open it. Once done, click Firewall and Network Protection to see domain, private, and public profiles. You need administrator rights to change behavior, so if a prompt appears, approve it. This initial view shows whether a profile is on or off and which networks are currently active, which helps you decide which profile to modify next. Now you adjust specific permissions so traffic flows only where you want it. Click Allow an app through Firewall to toggle app-level access. Make sure to select private versus public profiles appropriately. For precise control, open Advanced Settings to create inbound or outbound rules. Specify program path, port number, and protocol so only required services communicate. Once rules are added, test the app. If it fails, double-check the rule's scope and protocol, because finish by confirming settings and validating connectivity. Toggle profile switches as needed and enable notifications so you see blocked app alerts. This helps you catch unexpected denials. If connectivity breaks, use Restore defaults only after documenting current rules. It resets custom rules, but often fixes misconfigurations. If problems persist, open the Windows Firewall log and Advanced Settings to inspect rule order, or temporarily disable third-party antivirus/firewall software to rule out conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.